Alright, welcome back everybody. It's Big Al. This is awesome because it's the second, I guess, episode. I don't know what you want to call it. The second time of the Stock Lock Sunday. And this time around I will be trying to pick and disassemble the American Series 1100. And we're asking now that if you join in on this fun for Stock Lock Sunday, somewhere in the title for your video, add the hashtag stocklocksunday. I'm just helping pass that along, so I think it's a good idea. It helps people find it and helps us share it. So here's the 1100 that I got. I think Bearsback, my buddy Bearsback, sent me this one a while back. I've had it sitting around, so, and I think it was Bearsback. So there's the bidding on the key. Pretty typical, I guess, of American locks. It is brand spanking new and stock, so it does work like it should. Let's get the first one that I did last week. It was Brinks that couldn't be disassembled, so obviously I didn't disassemble it. So let's see, we can probably come in a little bit. Alright, I have picked this before, but I've never disassembled it because I never needed to, but I have picked it. It's not too horrible. Let's see. 5. Of course, the camera's on now, so 5, 3, a little click. Okay, 5, click. 3, a little click. Felt like 2. Go back in. 5, 4, 3, 2. Jeez. 5, 4, 3. Alright, might overset something already. 4. Oof, now I did. 3. 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3, 4, 2. There we go. Alright, tell you what, it's always tougher on camera, isn't it? Alright, so we got it open. Well, bada boom, bada bing. I guess we can lock that back up. Let's see. Maybe. Alright, make sure that I didn't jack nothing up. Okay, so we're good. Get a pinning tray down here. The white one's on the top this time. Make sure we're good on the camera. Come in a little bit. Alrighty. Bada boom, bada bing. Phillips. Let's get this baby taken apart and see what kind of magic we got inside. I'll tell you what, it's been a while since I've taken one of these apart. When I first started picking, all I had was a couple of old American 5200s that I picked the heck out of, man. I still have them actually, but I would practice on those things, man, every day. Take them apart, change the pins around, and put them back together. And I mean, I was loving it. Okay, bada boom, bada bang. We got a little clip on the back. I don't know why I'm so nervous. Excited about Stock Lock Sunday, I guess. It's the second one. And it took off really cool, man. I'm so stoked about how well it was accepted. I mean, everyone's done, it's not like something I invented. People's been doing stock locks, and it's just, I figured why not just do it on a Sunday. A lot of people, or most people, don't upload videos on Sunday. Sundays seem to be kind of like the dead day. And figured why not do it's something that's been rolling around my head for a while. I just was kind of afraid to bring it up. I didn't know how well it would be accepted, and I'll tell you what, it was accepted very well. Alright, so obviously they put 5 pins in a 6-pin core. I don't know why, but that's what they do. Alright, let's get them laid out here. Whoops. Come on, little guy. They're greasy. 4 and 5. Alright, let me get some eyeballs on so I can see as good as the camera can. Bada boom, bada bing. This one. I'll tell you what, all these key pins are serrated. That's pretty cool. I'll tell you, man, I've always liked these American locks. I mean, straight out of the package, I think they're pretty damn decent locks. They're made well, I think. I mean, for the price, I think they're all right. All right, where are we at? Over here. All right, number 1, serrated. Little spring. Number 2, serrated. Spring. Number 3, serrated. Huh. Wonder if there's any spools in this one. And number 4. There we go. Spool in number 4. Ask and you shall receive. Another little spring. And I guess we can go to the other side to get number 5. Little spool, and these are serrated spools. They got serrations on the end of the spools. That's pretty cool. All right, and there's no mods in there because it is a stock lock. Get this stuff out of the way. We don't need that because it's not a challenge lock, but we can get a close-up on the pins real quick. All right, we got. Let's see where we at. Bada boom, bada bing. Let me bring the camera down. Okay, all the key pins, they've got serrations on the top, and actually they all have 2 serrations on the top. Drivers, serrated in 1, 2, and 3, and then these number 4 and 5 are spools with serrations on the end of the spools. And then obviously all the springs are standard because it is a stock lock. Okay, y'all, so if you want to join the fun, and please do, for Stock Lock Sunday, somewhere in the title of your video, I guess just at the end of the title of whatever your title is, just add the oh, where are we at? Add the hashtag stocklocksunday into the title so it can be easily found and shared and all that good stuff. All right, okay, that's what we got, y'all. Thanks so much for watching, subscribing, tuning in. I appreciate every single one of you, man. I'm hoping we're gonna do the 200 subscriber giveaway sometime next week, so stay tuned. All right, Big Al signing out.